Okay, this is the VW Up. Okay, so this is the customer's vehicle as it stands at the moment. Okay, currently we have the hot wire in there with the ignition on. Okay, we have no ignition barrel because the actual barrel is seized solid, so that's the next job, is to remove all that. And to do that, we need to remove the two shear bolts, which are right in the back, in there like that. So all the cluster's got to come out to try and get to that next. That'll be the next job. But our job was to remove the immobiliser from the ECU. Okay, and what we've got is, there's our new plug and play ECU, which is in the back, okay, from another vehicle. Okay, and this is the original, which it was all completely rusted solid. We had to cut that out. It wouldn't move. It actually snapped the extraction tool trying to get those shear bolts out. Okay, so that is a replacement unit. And what we're going to do now is we're going to start it with the immobiliser off, just to make sure she runs. So if I now bring this round, if I can, one-handed, and go to the starter, she's now up and running. Okay, now the EPC light's on because we haven't actually programmed, we haven't told the car that there's another ECU on here, but that's yeah, nothing to worry about. That's a touch of a button and that's that. But she is up and running. Okay, so the immobiliser off service works a treat. Okay, while you wait, just call Car Alarm and Radio Services or get on our website caralarmandradio.com and we can sort all that out for you. Remove the immobiliser so you can start your vehicle. Okay, thanks for watching.